Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to box in around your pipes. In a recent video we showed you how to insulate them, which is all part of making your home more energy efficient. It's quite a simple build. We're going to fix battens up along both sides of it, all the way along the bottom, and then cover it with a plywood so it's ready for painting. So first thing I'm going to do is measure up my timbers for either side, cut them down, drill some pilot holes in them, and then plug the wall and fix them into position. Now the timber I'm using is 70mm deep, and I'm going to be fixing that to the wall by using 100mm screws. These are going to go right the way through. They're going to be countersunk into the wood, leaving about 30 to 35mm catching into the wall. So I'll drill through that, but the head of it here, we want that to be countersunk. So I'm using a thing called a countersunk drill bit. It's got a little sharp edge on here and kind of a beveled edge all the way around there. Once you've drilled out the top of that, take your screw, you can just pop it in the top, feel it around there, and you're feeling as if that's sunk in there. That will be perfect. It will be completely lost once it's driven in, and you can put your plywood over the top. Now, depending on what type of wall you have at home, you may have a stud wall, meaning it's a wooden frame covered with plasterboard. Therefore, you can drill through your wood, right through the plasterboard and into the stud work. But first, you've got to find it. Sometimes just by tapping it like that, you'll hear a different sound and you'll realise where the timbers are. We've got concrete boards on here because we're in preparation for tiling. So what I'm going to use is a masonry drill bit, what you'd need to use to drill through a brick and a block, and that'll drill its way through any hard masonry surfaces. You just need to put your drill onto a different set. I don't need to drill right the way through the masonry here at the moment. I just need to mark it, and then I can remove that and then re-drill it all the way through. And these are the standard plastic raw plugs. I'll drill it in with a 7mm drill bit, slide these in. My screw will drive through the wood and then bite into the plastic here. So we've got our clearance hole here. These will pretty much fly through really easily, which is what we want. And then they'll just start to pierce out on the other side here. Drive that one in. Starting to bite into the plug. Don't take it all the way just yet. You go to the low ones, and then once you've got all 5 of them lined up and just bit into the plug a little bit, you can start to send each one home now. So that now is a great, strong, solid fix with that timber into the masonry. Now that one's in, I'm going to do the same again for this side and the 2 bottom pieces, and then I'm going to measure and cut my plywood. Nice and solid now. It's perfectly level. The next stage is to take some measurements now, ready to cut my plywood. So this is my ply now cut. I'll just put some panel pins in here now. They're quick and simple, every about 6 or 8 inches apart, and that'll hold it into position well. Tap them in with the flat end of the hammer first, turn it over where the ball pin end is, and just tap it that little bit more, and then it just sinks it just past the surface. And drawing a line of cork right the way down the side, both sides of the timber, and along the top of the boxing where it meets the wall. I'm going to leave that to dry, and then it's ready to start painting. If you want to see more how-to videos just like this one, subscribe to the YouTube channel. But if you just want to know about the vast range of tools that Silverline stock, visit their website, silverlinetools.com.